Hello friends, how are you? I'm Shubham and you are also watching our YouTube channel A to Z with Shubham. So friends, in that video we are going to see what is Bruno, what is API testing and how we can use Bruno for API testing. So if you know, the Bruno is one of the tool of API testing. So before the proceed, here we can see what is exactly Bruno and some information about the Bruno. So, guys, video is a pretty important to if you make a career, if you want to make a career in the testing field and automation testing field. So, this video is important for you guys. So, let's see here the basic information about the Bruno. So, Bruno is a lightweight open source API client that helps developers and testers create, send, test, and manage API requests. It supports REST API, GraphQL APIs, and other HTTP-based web services as well. So, as per the definition, here you can see this is a API tool, which is a Bruno, and this is lightweight also. Then open source means freely available to everyone, so you can easily go on Google and simply download it from there, and you can able to work on the Bruno as well. So it's also help to developer and tester as well. It's also used to create, send, and test APIs, various APIs like a REST API, GraphQL, then other HTTP based API as well. So then, unlike many API testing tools that rely on cloud storage, Bruno follow on offline first approach. All collections, requests, and environments are stored directly on your local computer as plain text file. This makes Bruno faster, more secure, and easier to manage with Git. So basically, a lot of tools available on cloud, but for Bruno, this is follow the offline first approach. Means you are also create test and also send the request as offlinely. You don't need to any connections, any network for that. You can simply download it from Google, and also you can use this as offline as well. This is the most important benefit of the Bruno as well. Then Bruno was designed with simplicity, speed, and developer productivity in mind. So this is it. And then again, why do we need an API testing tool? So if you are a tester, if you are a automation tester, yeah, manual tester, you should have knowledge about the Bruno. And then one more tool for API is there, API testing is there, which is a Postman as well. And as of now, the Bruno is one of the most used API testing tool in a current industry. So you should have knowledge about that. And then we'll see here why do we need an API testing tool. Before understanding Bruno, let's first understand why we API testing tools are important. So when developing application, the front end communicates with the backend using API, right? Means API is a middleware for between the front end and backend. So instead of writing code every time to test an API, we use API testing tool that allow us to send API request, view server response, test authentication, then validate API response, then debug error, then save requests for future use, then automate API testing. So Bruno makes all those tasks simply and efficient. So that's why Bruno is important here, and Bruno is comes in the picture as well. So this is all about the why do we need API testing and also the information about the Bruno. So then we will see how you can download the Bruno from the Google and how to install it. So for that, I'm going on Google, simply new open tab, and here simply you need to search for download Bruno download and simply hit enter. Oh, sorry, my bad. Bruno download. Yeah, and then you can able to see here the very first official website of the Bruno. Then click on that, and simply from here you can choose the operating system. Depends on your system as well. Here is a Windows, here is a Mac, and here is a Linux. So simply you can choose as per you. Simply my is a window, so I'm choosing window and simply click on download for Windows. Yeah, and then you can see here the download is starting, and wait for minutes till the download has been successfully completed. Yeah, so this is the about the downloading Bruno, and which is easy, no any hectic steps in that, and installation is also easy for that. Simply wait just a minute and simply you can see here done means the installation has been successfully installed, sorry, downloading has been successfully installed here. Yeah, and simply you can go in a file manager and simply double click on that, and simply already in my system Bruno is downloaded. So simply this the installation steps are easy. Simply you need to click on next, and the last one is a finish, then automatically install it. Yeah, and then next for that, simply you need to search here Bruno and simply hit enter, then automatically open the Bruno interface. This is the home interface of the Bruno, which was looking so awesome. And simply you are able to see the workspace option is there. Then from here you can create the workspace, then open a workspace, and also import workspace as well, and also manage. There are tool for workspace management. Then also this is a home, and this is a collection. This is a importer tab, right tab, left tab, which is important as well, because from here you are going to create the API request. You are going to test the API as well. So this is the environment. This is the migration. This is a basic tool. You don't need to that as well. So as of now, we need this tab, this whole tab. So for the simply creation for the testing of API, so simply you need to create the collection first. So simply create on this create button, click on this create button and simply provide the name. Simply I will provide here the basic name. Sorry. Yeah, and you can see here create collection created, and you can see here as well the collection name. Simply click on this icon, this arrow, and then after that you can able to see add request button. From here you can simply create the HTTP request, GraphQL, then gRPC, then WebSocket. This is the type of APIs as well. So simply here in that video we are going to see HTTP request. So simply I'll click on that, and simply this is a GET request. You can also choose it later, which is the type, and this is the method actually, means get, post, put, delete, patch, option, head, raise, connect. This is the type of method which we need to during the API creation and API testing as well. So here you need to pass your API URL. So simply I'll take it from Google. So simply dummy API for testing. Simply search it and simply click on very first URL. Is it okay? No, it's not important. I'll choose another open source API gateway. No, it's the API repository. And yeah, dummyjson. Then from here, are we able to generate APIs? Sorry, generate now. Just I click on that where I can generate APIs. No, it's not. Simple API for testing sample. Sorry. Yeah, from here, this website. It's a sample API for testing. Simply click on that website, then create dummy APIs. Go in, add your response for payload. Right? Simply you need to If you have knowledge about this, then you can also aware about that. The name Shubham. Yes, this is our response body, and the status is okay. Then if you have knowledge about the API testing, then you should aware about the status, and then data. Yeah, create mock server, and you can see here our API is live now. Simply I'll copy it. This is our endpoint, this API URL, and simply paste it here. This is our get API, and simply paste it here. And after that, you need to save it from here. Then request saved successfully, and simply send it. Yeah, hey, yeah, great. Oh, sorry, something I missed here. Sorry, response body. I forget this. I forget this. Simply, you need to change it from here. Oh, sorry. I missed to update this. So just I'll try. No, I'm not able to edit this. So simply, this is the get request for here, and you can see here. Hey, yeah, you can see here. The response body is same from here. Like this, you can test the get request. Then if you want to test the post request, then from here, post means we provide the some payload for the that specific request, and then the API endpoint fetch the data from database and show to you according to this payload, according to this based on this payload as well. This is a post request. You should aware this method, how this work, and how what are the requirement, basic requirement we need to pass this API type as well, API method as well. So like that, you can test your APIs from here. Then also you can create multiple API request, multiple API like a request from here with using this plus icon, and the all request is stored in the this collection as well. This is your main collection, and you can also test it as locally. Then you can also delete it from here. You can see here, yeah, and this is you can also save it with the help of Control S button. It's all about the APIs and how you can use Bruno for testing. And yeah, this all set from my side in that video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and also hit the like button as well. Thank you.